Hi class, I just wanted to go through a couple of problems in section 2.4, namely 13 and 14. So let me bring that up. Let's just take a look at number 14. So the first part's pretty straightforward. I just put in the frequencies, fit 5, 19, 21, and 16 from my graph, and I checked that. Well done. Okay, and then it wants the sample mean. We've done this by hand. You can do the sample mean just by multiplying the pairs together and then divide by the sum of those frequencies, okay? But the next question is on the sample standard deviation, which the formula for that gets a little crazy. And so my advice is to use StatCrunch on those. So maybe do this one after you've already looked at some of the StatCrunch stuff, because that's the way we're going to do this problem. So sorry it came ahead of the StatCrunch video. That's why I'm making this supplementary video now. If I want to do that problem, I can open up StatCrunch. So let me just move this guy out of the way. StatCrunch. I can maybe put them both on at the same time so I can see the numbers. Looks like that. There's the home screen for StatCrunch. I can just open that. Okay, so you want to get to that spot. And there's a link in your main page to StatCrunch. I can show you that in a minute, or just watch that StatCrunch video. And then so what I'm going to do is for my first column, put those X values, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for my second column, I'm going to put the frequencies, 5, 19, 21, and 16. Okay. And then what I want to do is go to Stat, Summary Stat, and then you'll see down at the bottom grouped bin data. Okay. So Stat, Summary Stats, grouped bin data. You choose that grouped bin data if you have more than one column. If you just had one column of data, you don't have to choose that. You just choose the column. But here, okay, for my bins in, I'm going to choose the first column, and the counts in, counts is like frequency. So counts in is where your frequency is located, okay? And then I can compute that, and it's going to give me the mean and the standard deviation. That's what I want. Okay, so let's see if those are right. It says round to 1 decimal place, so it looks like 2.8 for the mean. Yes. And sample standard deviation, the S, 1 decimal, so just 0.9. All right, that looks good. Woohoo, okay, and we got it. All right, and that's the end of that problem. That's how you do it. And number 13 is similar. So again, for 13 and 14 in section 2.4, use StatCrunch. Don't worry about the crazy standard deviation formula for a frequency distribution, and that'll help. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later.